All right, well, welcome. Today I'm going to show you a couple different things in the tools of Smartboard. And so the first thing I'm going to show you guys is called the screen capture. And so to find screen capture, to open it up, you go here to Smart Tools, go down to Screen Capture. And when you do that, you're going to show up with this thing over here, this little capture thing, right? So I'm just going to put it over here for now, and I'll use it later. But so this is actually from my class. This is actually a online textbook that we have, and so this is actually how my teacher does a lot of her lesson planning. So she'll screen capture from our online book and then use it in her presentation. So how to screen capture? So you press this first button down here, all right, and it shows up kind of like this weird, eerie board. But then you select what part that you want. So I'm going to go down here. So I want the first question and then this graph as well. Right? And so it makes this thing. And so do something else. Send to clipboard. Sorry, and the other Smartboard, it does it automatically. There it is. All right. Right. So now we have this on a new sheet. So what we can do then, so then I can go back to our handy dandy thing over here, and so I'll upload a new page. So as I said, my teacher likes to use this when we do discussions and whatnot. So this is actually a thing we did in our class, a project, an activity that we did, and then so she'll put it up here on the board. And then what she'll do too is she'll take these questions and she'll screenshot or take a picture of them. A little higher. That's right. So she'll do that, and then the students can see what is on the screen. So, all right, so I'm going to move this. I'm going to put it like this. Bigger. So, right, so now I have my my graph, and then I also have my picture of the hat. So this, once again, this is something that we did in our class. So it's kind of cool. We're talking about translations and whatnot. And so something else I could do too, something else that in part of Smartboard is we can do this little thing called a shade, a shade for the screen. So what you can do is you can move it around, you can go up and down. Basically, you can kind of hide what you want your students to see. And so what I would do if I were a teacher, I would go and hide part of the graph over here. If I go like right here, right? And so I don't want my students to focus on any other thing just besides this first mug's hat. So that's actually the activity we're going to do today, is we're actually going to finish filling out this table. So for point C, what is that point on the C? Yeah, 6.2. 6.2. And then what's D? I know it's kind of hard to see. I mean, oh. Is that a little easier to see? Mm-hmm. There it is. All right. So, what's point D? Hey, Jesse?
6.3.
6.3. Point E? 4.3. 4.3. So that's getting a little jumbled over here, right? So then we fill it out, and then what we can do as well. And so once we fill out Mug's hat, then we can go over and we can start filling out the next hat. So, you know, for this translation, it would be 1 plus 2, which is 3, and then 1 plus 3, which equals 4. And then we keep going down, we have all of them filled out, and we can utilize that. So, so first thing we did is the screen capture. And if you want to do something on NCTM or something like that. You saw a picture online, you can go do that as well. You can screen capture it. You can also do a screenshot. So you can take a picture of a whole window, or here's a screenshot, right? So this is this whole screenshot. So if you want to send that to your students or something like that in your Google Classroom, you can do that as well. This last one, you can like take a screenshot of a circle. It's like you can do whatever you want with that. I think it's pretty cool too. So yeah, and then we talk about the screen shade. So it kind of shades stuff so you can have students focus on what you want them to focus on. So any questions about that? No? All right, well, that's my presentation.